Hi everyone, this is Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today I am talking about how you would safely check your handbrake or parking brake was working correctly. Now the first thing you would do is you would find a road that has an incline or a decline, and you bring your car to a stop on that road using your foot brake. Once the car is stopped and stationary, apply the handbrake. Once the handbrake is fully applied, release your foot slowly off of the brake pedal. Should the car stay stationary, then we know that the handbrake or parking brake is holding the car correctly. Should the car start to roll down the hill, then we know that the handbrake isn't working properly and we should get it looked at by a mechanic. If we found that information useful, then please give it a like or comment or share. If you want to find more videos the same, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or you can join our online theory course by going on to www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.